Unraveling the Phrase, Review. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English to understand a commonly used word, review. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how and when to use it. So, let's jump right in. Review is a versatile word in English. It primarily refers to a formal assessment or examination of something with the possibility or intention of instituting change if necessary. It can be a noun or a verb, depending on its use. For instance, I'll give the document a review. Noun, can you review this for me? Verb. Here are some ways you might come across or use the term. 1. Book, movie review. This refers to an evaluation of a book or movie, often discussing its merits, shortcomings, and other features. E.g., the latest Harry Potter book received rave reviews. 2. Performance review. In a professional setting, this means assessing an employee's work performance, usually done annually. E.g., Jane is anxious about her upcoming performance review. 3. To revisit or revise, especially in the context of studying. E.g., I need to review my notes before the test tomorrow. 4. Inspecting or examining. Often used when looking at something closely. E.g., the mechanic will review the condition of your car. Knowing synonyms can enrich your vocabulary. Here are a few for review: examine, inspect, assess, evaluate, appraise. To make it easier to understand, here are some sentences where review is used. 1. Before submitting, always review your work for errors. 2. The restaurant has excellent reviews on that app. 3. I'll review the chapters we studied last week. 4. Our team is in charge of the review process for the new software. And there we have it. The word, review, in all its glory. We hope this video has shed some light on how versatile and essential this term is in the English language. Remember, language is all about practice. So, try to use review in your conversations or writings today. Until next time, happy learning!